I know what your fear is. Your fear is, what if AI replaces your job? So basically, that's the fear that everyone is having right now. What you are doing is, you are working hard, you are learning everything, you are giving your absolute best, but still, somewhere, you have this question that what if AI replaces your job? So in this video, I will talk about 5 skills and jobs that AI can never replace. And you can actually earn more money doing these particular things. My name is Ritik Raj. I am working as a global HR recruiter. Let's get started. First is cloud skills. Right now, most of the companies are moving their system online. Platforms like Amazon AWS, Google Cloud are absolute common thing right now. And this is no longer an option for companies because literally we know that every companies are now moving to cloud platforms. So with respect to cloud platforms, if you know how system run on cloud, how data is stored and worked on cloud, and how application works on cloud, then you find yourself that you're ahead of many people. Because right now, companies need people who understand their system, who know how to navigate and work within the cloud, who know how to interpret and work around the cloud platform. Because as a recruiter myself, I can tell you that right now in the current market, companies are desperately looking for people who are specialists in cloud platforms so that people can understand their system and they are just not using them. So if you are looking to move your career ahead in cloud platform, then you will be sustainable for the longer run and AI is never going to take your job. Second is cybersecurity. See, as everything is becoming digital, so because of this, digital risks are also at its very peak, and cyber attacks are also increasing nowadays. We all are aware of this. One small security mistake can absolutely cost millions and millions of dollars to the biggest or to the smallest company. That is why companies are heavily increasing their budget that they put on their security. So if you are a cyber security specialist, you are able to protect data, you are able to protect system, you are able to protect their interface, you are able to protect their users, you are able to protect their data, then your value goes absolutely up. And when your value will go up, your payment will go up, your salary will go up, and your sustainability will go up as well. And let me tell you one secret, companies don't want to rely on AI to protect their security, because if companies are using AI for security and if something bad happens, then nobody is there to take the blame, because you can't blame AI for not doing something. So you need a proper human who can take responsibility, who can take the proper ownership of that particular work to make sure that the system, the data, the users, the everything about the company is absolutely secure in terms of digital and cyber world. Third, and the very important and the absolute hottest skill and job right now is AI integration. See, using AI is very easy nowadays. Everyone is doing it, but real value is not using AI. Real value is setting up the AI to do the real work. Hope that makes sense. So let me give you one example. So if you are able to use AI to automate the workflows, to reduce the manual work, or maybe to provide some accuracy and speed to the work, in short, you are able to take AI to solve and help business grow, then you become absolutely valuable and absolutely unstoppable in the job market. People will be absolutely looking for you. People will be looking for people like you to hire and be in their company. Fourth one is very important, but I don't know why nobody is talking about this. This is API and system integration. API is basically application process interface. So why API is very much an important thing? Because right now, companies don't want tools that are working separately. Companies want everything absolutely connected with dot by dot, line by line, everything. So for doing this, you need an API and system integration specialist. For example, company wants HR system to connect it with the payroll. Company wants sales tool to be connected with the CRM, and company wants to generate report automatically. So basically, if you can connect system and automate the workflows, you are saving lots of time for the company, and time is equal to money. So when you are saving time, for the company, your money will go up. And because of this, you will always remain the timeless beauty of the job market. People will be looking for you because you are saving their time. And time is absolutely proportional to money. So you will be paid high, you will be valued high, and you will sustain longer as well. Fifth one is the most important one and the most surprising one as well. This is something that nobody is going to expect. I'm talking about recruitment and talent acquisition. So just think about it. If all the skills and these jobs exist, then who is going to hire the best people? Who is going to make sure that company is investing on the right talent, company spending their money on the right culture fit, the right skill fit, the right fit employee? Who is going to ensure that company hire the absolute best fit in the market, who is going to join the company and do wonders for them? So to hire the absolute best, companies invest a lot of money in hiring and giving the best possible salary to the best possible people. And investing a huge amount of money, company will never trust any AI or any automated system for taking such big calls, because eventually hiring is never just about skills. It is about attitude, it is about culture, it is about long term fit, and more importantly, it is about human to human connection. And human connection still need a human. You can't expect AI to understand the human connection, to understand the human empathy, to understand the human sixth sense. So, all I want to say is AI is not going to replace everyone. It is only going to replace people who don't upgrade and who don't use AI. So if you are building the right skill set, if you are taking the right decision, if you are going in the right direction, then you are not competing with AI. You are using AI to your best and the better advantage. I hope all these points make sense to you now. So all I want to say is, don't be scared. Make sure that you are going in the right direction. Make sure that you are absolutely taking the right calls. Make sure that you are growing along with the AI era. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well and hit the like button as well. Because for you, I will make sure that I bring absolute no nonsense video so that it will help you to grow. It will help you to learn better. It will help you to understand better and understand the current job market in an absolute unbiased way. My name is Ritik Raj. I am working as a global HR recruiter. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.